Welcome to the guide on how to sign up to your Polluxa CRM account. Open your browser and visit sales.polluxa.com. Click on the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. Enter your email address and mobile number. Then click Verify. You'll receive a one-time password on your registered email or WhatsApp. Enter the OTP to verify your account. Create a strong password. Confirm your password, and then click Next to continue. Enter your first name and last name, then click Next. Select the industry you work in and describe your role within your organization. Enter your company name and company domain, then click Next. That's it! Your Polluxa CRM account has been successfully created, and you're all set to log in. Polluxa CRM, the future of CRM today.